Student, today we are taking chapter number 6, that is triangle. So student, what is a triangle? Triangle is a plane figure having three vertices. These are vertex A, B, C. Three vertex, three angle A, angle B, angle C, and three side. Now today we will discuss about similar figures. So geometric figures having the same shape but different size are known as similar figure. So ABC and PQ are similar here, so we can write ABC similar to PQR. This is the sign of similarity. Now we study congruency in class 9, so we are revising it. Congruent figure, two figures having the same shape and same size are known as congruent figure, and they are exactly same, and we can write triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Now what are the conditions a triangle will be similar? So it is given for two triangles or any figure are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Like we have ABC here triangle, PQR triangle. So triangle ABC similar to triangle PQRs if angle A is equal to angle P, angle P is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, and their side AB upon PQ, BC upon QR is equal to AC upon QR. These are the conditions for similarity. And what are the criteria of similarity? There are four criteria for similarity, all of you. First criteria is AAA. If two triangles having three angles equal, then their corresponding side will automatically proportional and they will be similar by AA criteria. Second, we have SSS. If two triangles have all side proportional like this, then they are similar. And SAS, if we have a pair of corresponding sides of triangle and angle between them equal, then triangles will be similar by SAS criteria. Another criteria we have, all of you, RHS. What is the RHS criteria? I have written it here. What is the criteria of RHS? It is when we in two triangles, one angle is 90 degree and two sides, one of them should be hypotenuse. So AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF, and these angle are 90 each, then it will be congruent by RHS. So these are the five criteria. Now we have another theorem, BPT theorem. I have it is called Thales theorem also. What is Thales theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it is divided the two sides in the same ratio. If DE is parallel to BC, then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the rule. And converse of BPT we also have, if line divide any two sides of a triangle same ratio, then the lines must be parallel. It's reverse. Here we have given that if this parallel to this, then this will divide this. Here we have given if AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, then DE parallel to BC. This is the rule. So today we discuss about the criteria and the Thales theorem. So you have to revise it, and you can try this exercise 2.1 6.1 also. Thank you very much.